Okay, this demo comparison, this is my Martin, and I'll be playing the introduction, some chords, and the ending of my own arrangement. I've got my mojo working. Hopefully that really shows the full timbre of the guitar played with a pick, which is the way I personally play. Okay, so here we are again, this time playing on the Horse acoustic, and I'm going to play the same music, and let's see how they sound one following the other. And frankly, I don't know, interesting to find out. So what do you think? You can decide for yourself.